let's just get started. I'm literally just gonna like reach into these bags. This is like really confusing. Okay, do you want to zoom in a little bit? Oh, hey, there we go. I am like beyond pumped about this product. It is called Polished by Zena Foster, and essentially it is a like glove thing that you put on, and it like nicely wraps around your wrist so it doesn't come off. But essentially you use it like after you shower, or like in the shower, I think. Are there instructions in here? No. But you use it to like exfoliate your body. So like when you like are in the shower, maybe you just like go like this and it just takes off all the dead skin. And she was telling me, she was like, you will see the dead skin and the gross stuff on your glove, but like you're just gonna be so happy. So I'm really excited to just get all that dead skin off. Next, I got some things from European Wax Center. Fun fact, I actually went to European Wax Center this morning because that's where I got my eyebrows done, and I haven't been able to get my eyebrows done in a hot minute because I was on Accutane, and you like can't do stuff like that when you're on it because your skin is super sensitive, but they did an amazing job. So I've been going there forever. So when they were at BeautyCon, I was like, yo, what's up my people? So they gave us some products to try out. I actually think I have this is the Reveal Me Face Exfoliating Gel. This is awesome. I use this. It's really good to exfoliate, especially if you are getting your eyebrows waxed and stuff like that, because when you exfoliate your skin, it makes for a better wax, and it's just good to exfoliate your skin. It's better makeup application. Then they also gave me the Renew Restoring Serum. I am a serum gal. Like, I love using serum. I just feel so fancy, so yay. Then from Not Your Mother's, I got the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner. Woo! I'm a sucker for hair products that are anything about restoring your hair, because I do get balayage in my hair and I use heat on it quite often. So this just looked so heavenly. I love the color. This is a beautiful yellow. So when I get out of the shower, I'm just gonna spray this in my hair and see how it works. Then from Carol's Daughter, I got this Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. I am so excited to use this. I love hair masks. They're so comforting to your hair, and they just, oh, my mom's in my room right now. Hey. They had me smell it there, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it's a little creamy. It literally, oh my god, it smells like almonds. It smells so good. Next up, we have the Redken No Blow Dry, also known as NBD. I thought that was really cool. And it's called the Just Right Cream, and I really loved it. The girl that was like talking about this product there, her hair looked amazing, and she said she only used this product. So essentially, people use this product. It says Air Styler, easy dry, natural style, no product feel. So it's like if you wake up in the morning and you shower and you just don't want to do anything with your hair, you just put this in your hair. So like for me, since my hair is kind of wavy-ish, I'd probably scrunch it in, and it just kind of leaves your hair with a nice natural look, but still kind of tame. I got two products, one for the hair, one for the hair. I got two products from Shea Moisture. I've actually already used this. This is the 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment with coconut milk and acacia Senegal, and it's supposed to detangle, protect, and control frizz. I used this after I got out of the shower this morning, and my hair feels super soft, super great, and it's just super natural and really nice. It's sulfate free and good for color. And then they also gave me the Smooth and Tame Blowout Cream with marshmallow root extract. Like, is that just not enticing or what? So excited about this product. I used it once in Tori and I's Get Unready With Me video on her channel. This is the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox. It is the Vitamin C Facial Wash. I was really excited about this because I drink vitamin C all the time. I know that's really random, but it's really good for your immune system. So I was really curious to see how this is. So it's a face wash, and it's got all these cute little beads, and I was really nervous about it being a fairly harsh exfoliant, but when I put it on, I felt so refreshed, and it smells divine. It's got a citrus scent naturally because it's got, you know, vitamin C in it, so really excited about that. Living in Florida, I was pretty pumped about this product. This is the Pixi Sun Serum. And it's essentially a SPF 30 sheer sunscreen, and then on the bottom of it, it had a lip balm, I think also with protective sunscreen lip balm on the bottom. So this is just perfect because I am going to the beach this weekend. So like on this side, it's got like your lip balm, and then where's the sunscreen? Oh, when you take it all off, then you squeeze and you get the sunscreen. So this is just a cute little duo. Perfect. Go Pixie. So this is from the brand Dirty Little Secret, and they had a ton of little things. Nice highlight. I love that color. I would even use that as like an eyeshadow, to be honest. They also gave me a few other things. Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh, I'm already intrigued. Ooh, it is a red color. Love it. This is gonna look great. I feel like this will even be fun for summer because it seems to have a little bit of an orangey tint to it. Also got a lip gloss in the color Rose Petal. I love any sort of, ooh, this is a very, very pretty lip gloss. Perfect for summer. Love this pink color. I am so excited. I've actually tried this once. This is the La Roche-Posay. I have no idea how to pronounce this. So if you guys want to let me know in the comments down below, it'll be much appreciated. It is their micellar water. Everyone's been coming out with micellar water lately. Apparently they've already had this, but they're just like rebranding it. So I love micellar water. I just put a little bit on cotton pads after I take off my makeup with like a makeup wipe, and you'd just be so surprised at how much makeup was still on your face. It's really scary, so I always use this too. Oh, also from European Wax Center, they gave me the Ready Set Brow Groomer. I don't know what this is. I think it might be, I'm actually gonna put this on right now. Boom, let's go. It just keeps your lashes in place. I haven't used brow gel in a hot minute either. And I actually love the kind, like whenever I get my brows done, they put a little bit on, but she didn't put any on this morning, so I'm excited to have my own. I have never ever used these, but I was really excited to see them at the event. This is by the brand Kiss, and it's the Impress Press On Manicure, because I'm just not one to glue things on. I usually just get gel nails, but I'm definitely about this to try it out. So you literally just, there's stickers on the back of these fake nails, and you just stick them on, and they had some really cool chrome ones, which I thought were cool, so maybe one summer day I'll try these out. So L'Oreal just came out with the Infallible Total Cover Foundation. So it's a full coverage, weightless feel. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. It says it's up to 24 hours it lasts. So I'll give that a test and let you guys know. It's probably one of the most things I was excited for. So there's this brand, I am just like, maybe it's Suai. They told me how to pronounce it, but I just couldn't tell you. And they have all this amazing, skincare. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm just all about face masks, so I got a Donkey Milk sleeping mask. I got a purifying brightening peeling gel. Again, these just look amazing. Purifying black charcoal mask, and I actually got to try them all on my hands when I was there, and I was just like, oh my god, I cannot wait to do a spa treatment at home to myself. And they also gave me this book, and I was just like, wow, bless your soul. Tori and I just got so excited. It's the Korean Beauty Secrets book, and it says a practical guide to cutting edge skincare and makeup, and literally in it, oh, there's a face mask in it. Literally in it, it gives you like all this info. Things are just falling out everywhere. Like example morning routines for your skin, like the morning skincare routine. Like, oh my god, this is a perfect little coffee table book. Great to read when I'm just wanting to better my skin. I got 2 Revlon Ultra HD matte lip colors. I've actually purchased these before. These are new ones, and they're like metallic ones. Oh, this one's called Glamour and this one's called Flame. So this is like a nudie color and this is like a pinky color. Rimmel gave me this filling powder. It's the Brow Shake filling powder. So I'm excited because sometimes I don't always like using a pencil and I get really lazy. So this should be fun and new, something to try. I got a yellow liquid eyeliner because why not? And it looked really cool. I also got this lip product. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's a nudish, pinkish color. Love it, love it, love it. It's kind of like a lip gloss. It is the Maybelline New York Vivid Hot Lacquer. And I like the application of it. I love this kind of spoolie or whatever you call it, just like applicator. But it just applies so glossy, but like very luxurious looking, and it just makes your natural lip color look great. There is so